Right now, the entire global economy is running on a resource that is scarcer than oil, more valuable than gold, and controlled by a terrifyingly small group of people. What we are talking about? You guessed it right, microchips. From the smartphone in your hands to the server farms powering artificial intelligence, modern civilization survives entirely on these tiny slices of silicon. But beneath this technological wonder lies an unyielding reality. Our global supply chain is hyper fragile. To put their fragility into raw numbers, if a single advanced semiconductor manufacturing plant shuts down its assembly line just for 24 hours, the global technological ecosystem loses an estimated $50 billion instantly. And this is not just an hypothetical business disruption, it is a structural point of failure, capable of bringing global trade into a grinding halt. And that entire risk is geographically concentrated on a single island. One company in Taiwan, known as TSMC, single handedly manufactures over 92% of the world's most sophisticated high end microchips. Without this enterprise, the production of premium smartphones, supercomputers, and automotive guidance engines ceases to exist. The true irony of the tech world is that trillion-dollar giants like Apple, Nvidia, and AMD do not actually manufacture their own advanced processors. They design the architecture, build the software, and then they wait in line entirely dependent on TSMC to bring their hardware design into physical reality. There are no alternative factories or backup. This dynamic creates the ultimate geopolitical choke point. Geopolitical tension rise around East Asian trade routes. Western economies are waking up to a chilling economic truth. Their entire digital infrastructure depends on a geographic region vulnerable to natural disasters and political conflicts. It is a system built with zero structural backups. But the rabbit hole goes even deeper. TSMC cannot print a single advanced chip without a machine built halfway across the world, deep in quiet towns in the Netherlands. A company named ASML holds a 100% absolute monopoly over critical optics needed to manufacture next generation silicon. Without the Dutch, the Taiwanese cannot build. This machine is an EUV lithographic unit, and a single machine costs an astronomical $350 million. It is widely considered the most complex piece of machinery even created by human beings. The ASML produces only a few dozens of these units each year, creating a severe bottleneck for any nation attempting to replicate this technology. The engineering behind it sounds like a science fiction. It operates by blasting a microscopic droplet of molten tin with a high power laser, twice vaporizing it into plasma to create extreme ultraviolet light. This light is then bounced off the flattest mirrors on Earth to carve microscopic circuits just nanometer wide. It is physics pushed to its absolute boundary. This leaves global civilization in a profound trap. We have built an interconnected world completely dependent on advanced software and automation. Yet, the physical manufacturing engine behind it all cannot be easily duplicated, moved, or replaced. If this delicate supply chain breaks, there is no plan B. But here is the final unsettling truth. Even if the United States and Europe spend hundreds of billions of dollars to replicate ASML's machines and build massive chip factories on their own soil, they might still be walking straight into another trap because there is a hidden layer below the silicon, a group of critical raw material known as rare earth elements. Without them, you cannot build the advanced magnets, lasers, or sensors that make these microchips works. And right now, one country controls over 70% of the entire global supply. In our next deep dive analysis, we are uncovering the rare earth trap and how a single export ban could freeze the entire Western tech industries overnight, rendering every new factory useless before it even starts. If you want to decode these invisible networks and understand where the global power balance is truly shifting, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next chapter. Before you go, leave your thoughts in the comment below. Do you think the West can achieve true tech independence, or it is already too late? If this breakdown brought you value, drop a like to help support independent global research.